In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Gemini not working. It's a common issue, but don't worry, I've got you covered. We'll walk through all the necessary steps to ensure everything is running smoothly again. So let's dive right in. First, you need to check if your internet connection is stable. This might sound basic, but it's often the root of many problems. Ensure that you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi or have a reliable data connection. You can test your internet speed using various online tools to make sure it's sufficient for Google Gemini to function properly. Once you've confirmed that your internet is working correctly, the next step is to check your Google account. Make sure you're logged into a Google account that has access to Gemini. Without the right permissions, you might encounter access issues. If you're not logged in, simply sign in using your credentials and ensure this account has the appropriate permissions for Google Gemini. Now, open Google Chrome. We're focusing on Chrome because it tends to handle Google services better, and it's known for fewer compatibility issues. If you're using a different browser, consider switching to Chrome to see if that resolves your issue. After launching Chrome, navigate to the top right corner where you'll see 3 vertical dots. This is your main menu button. Click on those dots to uncover a drop-down menu. In this menu, look for and select the option labeled Delete Browsing Data. This will open up your browser's settings, specifically focused on data management, which is pivotal for smooth operation. Next, you'll want to clear your browser cache and data. Often, cache data can cause glitches or compatibility issues with web applications like Google Gemini. Clear the cache by selecting the appropriate options, making sure to choose a suitable time range, such as all time, to ensure you're clearing everything that might be causing problems. Sometimes, browser extensions can interfere with the functionality of web applications. If you're still facing issues, consider disabling your extensions temporarily. You can do this by going to the extension section in Chrome and toggling them off one by one. This step helps identify if a specific extension is causing the problem. Once identified, you can either keep it disabled or look for an updated version or alternative. Finally, restart Google Gemini. Simply close the application or tab and then open it again. This can refresh the connection and resolve any remaining issues. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to fix Google Gemini not working. If the problem persists, it might be worth checking for any updates to the application or seeking further assistance from Google's support team. Thank you for watching, and I hope these steps help you get back to using Google Gemini efficiently. If you find this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tech tips like this one.